Troubleshooting your robot and Wi-Fi. Before continuing, make sure your Wi-Fi network name and correct password are handy. If you are having trouble connecting your robot to your Wi-Fi, follow this 3-step reset process for a fresh start to connect. Step 1. Reboot your Wi-Fi router by unplugging the power cord from the back of the router. Wait 60 seconds and then plug it back in. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working correctly by connecting a phone, tablet, or computer to it. If you're sure the Wi-Fi is working correctly, move on to Step 2. Restart your robot. Shut off the robot and wait at least 10 seconds and power it back up again. Step 3. Once you've restarted your robot, reboot your phone. Turn off your phone, wait a few minutes, then turn it back on and connect to your Wi-Fi. By doing all 3 steps, you will have a fresh start to connecting. When connecting your robot to your Wi-Fi in the SharkClean app, if you have multiple Wi-Fi networks available in your home, connect to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, not to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. If you only have one Wi-Fi network available in your home, this step will happen automatically. Your robot has several indicator lights that identify various Wi-Fi connectivity issues you may have. Here's a quick guide explaining what the indicators mean. If your password is entered incorrectly, you'll see a red exclamation point light up, and the Wi-Fi indicator light will flash. The robot will say, "Incorrect wireless network password." Ensure you have the correct Wi-Fi password when starting your connection setup. Now, if both the exclamation light and the Wi-Fi indicator light are solid red with nothing flashing, that means your wireless network could not be found. Connect another device to confirm your network is working and try connecting again. If the issue persists, follow the 3 troubleshooting steps we just reviewed before trying again. If the exclamation mark light and the Wi-Fi indicator light are both red and are flashing alternately, you have entered the wrong username or password for your Shark account. Try entering your Shark account username and password again. If the exclamation mark light and the Wi-Fi indicator light are both red and are both flashing at the same time, then the robot is not connected to the network. The robot will also say, "Cannot connect to wireless network." To resolve this, follow the 3 troubleshooting steps we just reviewed before trying again. If you are still unable to connect, see the help section of your app, visit our support page, or call our customer service at this number.